Hi everyone, my name is Jeff. I'm a business and executive coach, and we're going to take the next 25 days and go through this book, which is Essentialism, The Disciplined Pursuit of Less by Ian McEwan. And you can join us on this journey. Buy the book. There's a link in in the description below on how to get it. And we're also going to be using this simple one-sheet journal sheet that you can download from my website, and it'll really help be a great tool to help you get the most out of this book. And the book will really help you in really pursue less, but actually get more from your life, from your business, by learning what is essential and what is trivial, and learning how to pursue what's essential. And because there is so much going on in this world, there's so many choices, so many opportunities, and the truth is we just cannot do it all. If you've tried to do it all, I guarantee you, you feel too thin, you feel spread out, you feel like just exhausted. And this journey that we'll take is 25 days, just reading 10 pages a day. I've made it super simple for you to really help you amplify your impact and streamline your life, your business, make things easier, and have a lot more energy in the process. So stay tuned for this podcast over the next 25 days. I look forward to being on this journey with you and hearing your comments. All right, guys. I'll see you. Welcome back, everybody, to day 3 of 25 Days of Essentialism. We read pages 20 through 30. And there's a couple quotes in here that really, or ideas that really kind of stood out to me. One of them was the first one here on page 20. It says, the prevalence of noise. Almost everything is noise, and a very few things are exceptionally valuable. You know, that is so true, especially in these days where there's so many channels, so many um, different things to do, and most of it are good things, but most of it's just noise for me. And as I've been pondering what's really essential for me, what's my highest contribution, most of it really is noise, and there's a very few things that are truly valuable. And just realizing that it's like, okay, yeah, most of it's noise. Let's kind of sift through it. So, and then the next thing that really hit me was on this kind of diagram right here, the 3 circles on page 21. Actually, on page 22, it has the one for the highest point of contribution. And he had, the right thing, the right reason, and the right time. The right thing, the right reason, the right time. And the sweet spot is the overlap of those 3. And then down in the paragraph below, he didn't put this as a diagram, but I kind of did, with 3 circles of what do I feel deeply inspired by is the first circle. The next circle is what am I particularly talented at? And then the third circle is what meets a significant need in the world. And so, and again, it's the overlap of those 3 that's really the sweet spot of, what's inspiring to me, and also I'm talented at, and meets a significant need in the world. And as I've been pondering, what is my highest point of contribution, and maybe you're doing the same thing, that maybe filling in those 3 circles with what inspires me, what am I talented at, what meets a significant need in the world, and there's an overlap of those, and that might be a really good indicator of what our highest contribution could be. So again, as always, there's a bunch in here, but that kind of really stuck out to me as 3 things. And then I'll end today's call episode with page 26. This is just amazing. It's these what ifs. What if society stopped telling us to buy more stuff and instead allowed us to create more space to breathe and think? What if society encouraged us to reject what has been accurately described as doing things we detest, to buy things we don't need with money we don't have, to impress people we don't like? What if we stopped being oversold the value of having more and being undersold the value of having less? What if we stopped celebrating being busy as a measurement of importance? What if instead we celebrated how much time we have spent listening, pondering, meditating, and enjoying time with the most important people in our lives? What if the whole world shifted from the undisciplined pursuit of more to the disciplined pursuit of less, only better? Oh, wouldn't that be amazing? And as I think about that, maybe society won't do that for us, but we can do that for ourselves. He also made an earlier point in the chapter about how we have choice. We all have a choice on what we're going to focus on. And uh, and I would like to spend more time, thinking of, listening, pondering, meditating, spending time with the people that I love mean the most to me, spend my time doing the things that are really my highest contribution. Uh, that would be amazing. So, I encourage you, if you don't have the journal yet, please email me. I'll send you a copy of this. It's a great tool to help you track your insights and your awareness and the actions you're taking. So, put in the show notes what you think is interesting, your most inspiring quotes from the book, your ideas, and until tomorrow, keep living the essential. All right, guys, talk to you later. Bye bye.